What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Anthony.
And it's your girl Jessie.
And today we're going to be doing a homemade cooking mukbang.
In our new apartment! So today we are cooking breakfast. And it's like...
We're cooking breakfast for dinner, and it's like a French toast.
It's like 11:30 at night. You can't even see it. But yeah, it's 11:30 at night. But we're cooking French toast, bacon, eggs. I'm not that tall. Can bring it down. Alright. So, you know, he's gonna be doing the French toast and the bacon because I'm not gonna lie. I can whip up some French toast mix, but I can't make the French toast. I cannot cook bacon. That shit's it's out. It's out. I can't do it. But I can cook me some eggs. Right? I'm gonna eggs, baby.
That's about the only thing she can cook. But anyway, so yeah, we finna.
And ramen noodles, look. Anyway, so yeah.
All the ingredients right now. You know, all the things that you will need for the French toast.
We got the bacon.
Facts.
We got butter.
For the French toast pan. Cinnamon for the French toast, of course.
Milk.
And the milk, obviously, for the eggs. Boom,
Eggs.
eggs right there. Boom, bread for the French toast, you know what I'm saying?
Then we go over here to our bowls.
Facts.
Then we got our pan.
Okay.
Yes. And our mixing tools.
Facts.
But yeah. Okay. So we're going to start making the stuff. You're going to start doing the French toast. So go ahead and you can take over.
Alright, guys, so for starters.
You know what we need to get? We need to get our hats and our thingies. Ready, set? Just can't wait out what happens.
Okay.
I got the bread.
So you gotta go make sure you get your bread. You want to unravel it.
This is for your French toast. This is for the eggs. Don't ask how it's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen.
Okay. All right. So first things first, you want to get your eggs, and depending on how much cinnamon toast, French toast you want. What's seeing me?
Cause you're too tall. Just act short for
I
now.
bet. So first you want to get your eggs. You know, depending on how much French toast you want. You know, it doesn't really matter as long as you know get enough in there. So for us, we're probably gonna do maybe 3 eggs. So boom, bang, crack an egg, put it up in there. Facts. Boom, crack another egg, put it up in there. Bang. And then boom, crack an egg, put that thing up in there. Facts.
Facts.
I don't really know how much milk you guys want to put in there, but you know,
I
just
can hold it.
like that. Got to milk. Pour about
That much.
that much up in there. Okay. You gotta be toxic, all right? You want to grab your fork? Where'd the fork go?
In here.
Oh, okay. You're taking my utensils now, buddy. Okay.
Put your cinnamon in there.
Yep, facts. But don't get McCormick because they didn't sponsor us, buddy. Okay. Anyway, I like cinnamon, so I'll pour a fat amount of cinnamon up in there.
I don't like cinnamon, but he still does it anyways.
Facts, because this is my cinnamon toast crunch, or French toast. I keep calling it French. I keep calling it everything but the name. Anyway, you want to mix that jank.
Jin?
Mix that jank. You want to mix that thing, right?
As I was saying, I wasn't saying anything, was I? Nope. But it's okay. You're gonna take a knife and you're stab him.
Oh hell no! Whoa. Okay. Okay.
You're gonna take some butter. You're gonna take a itty bitty bitty piece off. Right. Watch this. You're gonna go. Right. You're gonna put it in the pan. Okay.
Damn.
Can you turn it off for
The
me?
non-heated pan.
Yeah, turn it off.
Been here
This oven is kind of weird for like.
Been here a day. Still don't know how to turn on the friggin'.
Well, no, it's just weird to me. It's different than Minneapolis. There you go. And butter your pan.
Okay.
You get your nice soft bread. Look, it's so soft. That's like memory foam, dude. Like memory foam, right?
It ain't a mattress, buddy.
You want to take your welly, you know, your stuff, the mix. You know what I'm saying? The French toast mix. The stuff, that heat, that jank. You want to dump that up in there. Bang, 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 like this. Boom, boom, boom. Dump that up in there. flip it over, dump the other side, boop, 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 dab it up. Damn. That jank nice and drip, you know what I'm saying? And then, bow, put it up in that pan. Bags, put it up in that pan. And wipe your hands off on the towel that's right here.
Okay, now while he's cooking that, we're gonna move over to mine. We're gonna be cooking some eggs in this bowl. Okay? So what we're gonna do is move his shit over. Move his shit over, right? Oh. Eggs.
So, what?
How many eggs do you want?
I don't know. Like,
You gonna crack
5?
some eggs? We're gonna crack 5?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Fat ass. I mean,
Wow! Look at that fresh toast. This thing coming along nice. Okay. Dang.
so far we have 3. I think we're gonna do 4 and it'll be okay. Okay?
I got a spatula. Make sure this chain looking.
Alright, so we just got our eggs. So we're gonna put these back in the fridge.
Okay, wait, how many crack?
Huh?
4. I asked for 5. What do you mean?
You'll be okay. Then we're also gonna. I want a fork.
Okay.
Evenly, right? You go like that.
Somebody
That's what I
go to
do.
the language arts, buddy.
Whatever. Then you're gonna take some milk.
Facts.
And you're gonna put some in there. That much.
Okay, that's a ton of milk, buddy.
That's not a ton of milk. It's a ton of egg and milk.
Okay.
Right? Then we're gonna go in there.
We did not get syrup. Oh my.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm sick of going to the store.
2 hours later.
We're back, we got syrup.
Yeah, we forgot syrup the first time. Anyway, we're back. Okay. Go ahead then, girl. Start making your eggs.
Oh, my eggs. Oh, that's what I was doing? I thought you wanted to do your French toast still.
My French toast is pretty much. I mean, I got the gist of it.
Okay. So, then we're gonna turn this on, right? And this thing scares the hell out of me. I don't know why. I didn't do it. See, look.
Girl, oh my, there you
Right
go.
there?
Yep.
Okay. See, look.
Yep. This one's going out.
I think you can use that smell. There.
Alright.
Right?
Dang.
And
Dang.
this is kind of a narrow pan.
Dang.
Don't ask us why. But anyways, you know.
Ooh, dang.
Right?
Okay.
Right. Alrighty. Oh, we didn't get salt and pepper.
Oh my.
It ain't gonna be seasoned eggs. That's okay.
We didn't get salt and pepper. It's alright.
Usually, right now, I would be sprinkling pepper in there to see, like, not season, but just do it. Yeah. Right? So you just whisk it, and you just keep moving around, and you keep making your scrambled eggs.
Alright, so we're getting back to the French toast. Grab some more bread, You might always want to re-butter your pan every time you can before putting a new bread thing on there, Obviously, you want to dip it again. Make that thing nice and juicy. Nice and juicy like a Juicy Lucy.
Didn't you already show them this?
Yeah, no.
So get to business.
I'm getting the business, babe. Dang, you'll be so angry all the time.
Now we're starting with the bacon.
Yeah.
Right. Sizzling. Sizzle.
Dang.
We got our eggs over here.
Dang.
We got our French toast.
Dang.
And we got our bacon cooking. And some syrup.
That ain't coming along nice.
All the food is done. We put some butter, some syrup, and some ketchup. Well, he's not putting ketchup because he don't like it, but I do. So we got our eggs. We have our bacon. We have our French toast, eggs, bacon. This is his juice. It's you say it.
It's a strawberry banana smoothie kind of juice.
It's this.
Yeah.
And then I just have regular apple juice. And then, yeah, so now we're about to eat.
Alright guys, now we made the food, now it's time to eat it. But today, we have a mukbang, or mukbang.
Bang.
With some Q&A questions that we got from some fans,
Alright, so hold on. So I asked you guys some questions on Snapchat.
Okay.
So the first couple questions come from Kiona. Shout out to Kiona. She asked, what's your favorite place to eat and why?
Favorite place to eat?
Oh, we're eating some breakfast. Just kidding. I don't know. Mine.
My favorite place to eat would probably be probably Panda Express, because I really love their honey walnut shrimp and just their orange chicken. It's mad good to me.
That was where our first date was at too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
He's lying right now. He knows that was where it was at. Mine would have to be. It would have to be either Panda Express or IHOP too. I like IHOP.
IHOP.
If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go?
And why?
Hawaii for me, definitely. That's like one of my top, like where I want to go. But I also want to go to Paris and like fancy places like Jamaica and stuff like that. I don't know. I just really want to travel.
For me, it would be North Carolina. Why? Because that's where my mom was born, and that's where my mom grew up. And so I just kind of want to experience a little bit of it, see how it's like and everything. I've only been to like 2 other states. That's like Wisconsin and Louisiana. So like, yeah, I don't really travel that much with my family, but that's one thing I want to do before it all ends. Go to North Carolina. And see how it is down there,
How many kids do you wish to have?
Kids.
Now, before I met him, my number was at least 2 and no more than, I think, 4. Now I'm gonna let you tell them your answer.
So my answer is 8. 8. Why? Because I don't know. I just kind of want to leave behind, a good bunch of great people,
Oh.
Facts. But no, I just want to. Before actually it was like 5, until my sister told me. She was like, "Yo, I want to have 8 kids." I was like, "Well, hey."
Shout out to your sister.
Why not? Yeah. Shout out to her. Thanks, big sis. But yeah, 8 kids.
Next question. What's your all-time favorite song? I don't have an all-time favorite song. I have a current favorite song that changes a lot because I like music too much that I have too many favorite songs. Right now, it'd probably be No Guidance.
And now they silent. Blue the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest.
By Chris Brown and Drake. Also, Racks in the Middle by Nipsey. What?
Nipsey Hussle and Bobby Rich. That's all.
Dark clouds on us, but that was perfect for us. We know you always crash and burn, but it was working for us. Let me tip the B12, double check the details.
Or I Want 'Em All.
By T Grizzly? Okay.
I want 'em all. Got a few bitches, but I don't be cheating, cause I fuck with all y'all. I'm in they text and
How about you, babe?
Mine would probably be Fireworks by Drake and Alicia Keys.
And I think that I just realized what it means. All I see is fireworks.
What, Thank Me Now album by Drake. With Drake. I think it's called Thank Me Now. But why? Because my mom had this job. It was a late night job. It was like an overnight job, right? It was called the paper route. And she would obviously, deliver papers and everything.
At night.
At night, yeah, literally. Like she would wake us up. She would wake me and my 2 older sisters up at like 2, 3 in the morning.
Oh, so it's in the morning.
There's 2 types of people on this earth. Anyway, she'd wake us up at like 2, 3 in the morning. We'd go deliver papers. And every time we would deliver papers, she would play that song. Every single time. And I don't know. It's kind of rubbed off on me. And I'm a huge Drake fan. Huge Drake fan. So, you know.
Too much of a Drake fan.
She playing. She gonna get left for Drake.
Anyway, favorite horror movie.
Favorite horror movie. I'd have to say my favorite horror movie would be, I don't know, probably The Forest. I don't know if you guys know that. But it's about like suicide. I guess like a suicide forest in like Japan or something like that, or Tokyo or something, somewhere in there. And it's I don't know. It's like, to me, it was scary for me because like it had a whole bunch of jump scares and a whole bunch of unexpected things that you like, you know, you wouldn't like expect a freaking, like, if you're in the woods, you're expecting a bear to come out, right? Maybe a moose, reindeer moose, who knows? But no.
Reindeer moose.
But no, in this forest, no, dude, there's stuff like freaking, I don't know. Yeah, there's bodies, dude, bodies jumping out of the trees. I'm not talking about live bodies. Well, these people are dead, you know? But yeah, that have to be my favorite.
I'm a big fan of scary movies. Like, I started watching them when I was like 8. I love scary movies. I like the classics. I like Scream. I like Nightmare on Elm Street. I like what's that one called? Friday the 13th. I like all those like classic ones when you're little. But I used to really love Scream, so I'd have to say that one.
Scream wasn't even scary. Scream was more like a horror comedy sort of thing.
But back then, to a 7-year-old, I was fucking crying.
I get it.
What do you love about each other?
Wow.
This is from Hannah. Shout out to Hannah.
What I love about you? I mean, there's a ton. I could go on and on forever, you know? I could sit here and still be talking about it on my deathbed, you know? But what I love, I'd say probably one of the biggest things is that booty. No, I'm kidding. It'd be like, I don't know, the way she kind of compliments me, you know? She kind of gives off, the hell just do to my, anyway, she kind of gives off like this, I don't know, she gives me like this energy, gives me this confidence to, you know, move forward with what I gotta do and do it to the best of my ability, you know? I over her dad, she's my baby girl. But yeah, that's pretty much, I mean, there's a tons of things obviously I can go on and on about, but that'd probably be the biggest thing is like the vibe she gives me, how happy she makes me, you know?
Well, what about you? I've always said this ever since if you ever asked me, I'd always tell you this. Is how much, or is your personality. I love your personality. It's like one of the best traits about you. I think anyone can say that about you.
What can I say?
But you're fun, you're funny, you like to have a good time. You don't care about what others think about you. You know, there's not that many people in the world who don't care about opinions and stuff like that. And I like that about you.
Aw, that's so sweet. I've never had anyone say that to me before.
That's a lie.
Okay.
But yeah, so that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, ask us more questions, and we can do another video.
Follow us on the social medias, I'll be down.
For sure. Follow our couple page on Instagram.
We'll be down there as well.
Follow his gaming channel, or his new gaming Instagram.
Twitch.tv/everybody. You know,
There you go.
I'll come.
His Twitch.
I'll come.
Start watching his streams, all that
Thanks.
stuff. Alright? You know, there's gonna be a lot more content coming soon, I know.
A lot more.
We had a big old gap where we didn't film for a while, but we're back. Why? Because now we live together. There ain't no way that we gonna leave each other. I mean, anyways. So watch the next couple videos that are coming because there's gonna be some coming. And keep an eye out for the apartment tour. And
Facts. Actually, turn on that post notification. Smash that bell. I mean, kick it with your big toe.
period. What?
Facts.
Oh.
Kick it with your big toe.
Subscribe.
Facts. But that's it. We love you guys, man. Peace.